Bicycles have always been reassuringly simple machines. Because their operations are clearly visible to the human eye, it is easy to see how they work. What it does require is an ability to use hand tools to repair, adjust, and lubricate bicycles of many different designs. This requires experience as well as skill, and several months of on-the-job training are usually required to become a competent bicycle repairer. Who hires bicycle repairers? Messenger companies, tourist resorts, professional race teams, sports shops, and just about any organization that rents or sells bicycles. Bicycle sales have been booming in recent years, as many adults have discovered that bicycling is an excellent form of exercise. Sooner or later, however, these bikes will all need repair or adjustment. There are no educational requirements to repair bicycles, so for people who enjoy working with their hands and love bikes, this could be the right job.